Well, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So good morning. In this video, I am going to talk about what you need to do to actually attract business to you. What do you need to do to actually attract it? And I used to hear all that all the time about the attraction, laws of attraction, manifesting, things like that. But I never really paid that much attention. But there is some truth to it. So let's look at what do we want? We want commercial cleaning contracts, right? Okay, we've got that on our mind. We've got it written down. Now, what do we need to do to move towards that and make it happen? Well, what ends up happening is when you say that you want to manifest something or attract more business, it simply means you're going to do the things that you start to think about. So our thoughts generate our actions because our thoughts are what we think about all the time. Have you ever noticed what you think about actually happens, good or bad? So if you start thinking about attracting business, what you're going to do is start noticing business around you. You're going to notice opportunities, resources, people, employees, whatever it is that you need to get to that six figures and beyond. Pow! That's what you're going to start noticing. So keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, continue every day to think about what kind of business you want, what type of contracts, be as detailed as you can. And before you know it, you will actually start to attract the type of business you want. If you want to learn more about the three things you can do, attraction, acquisition, and retention when it comes to creating the kind of commercial business that you want, start and scale to six figures and beyond, pow, then make sure you sign up for my free masterclass. I will take you through all of that and more step by step by step on the three pillars that I use and that I teach others on how to actually start and scale their cleaning business to six figures and beyond. So if you'd like to know more, then click the link, register for the free masterclass, and until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.